How to download photos and videos from Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download photos and videos from Messenger on your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to open up a web browser and head over to Messenger. Now there are different ways you can open up a Messenger. The easiest is by simply typing in messenger.com. The other way that you can do is also by opening up your Facebook, heading over to this messenger icon, opening up a chat. After you open up a chat, you can then tap on the username and tap on open in messenger. So doing that will open up a messenger. Other than that, you can simply head over to messenger.com and there you are. Now to download a photo, simply locate the image that you want to download. After you're there, you can open up the image like this and you can then see a download option on the top right. Tap on download and the photo should get downloaded. You can then open it up and check if the photo has been correctly downloaded. And it's basically that simple. And that is all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.